Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. My name is Parth and today in this video we are going to see challenge number 2 and let us see what we have to make. Wow, this is really awesome. Okay, so the challenge is we need to make this presentation and the squares or design behind this Must Watch Tips text box is zooming in and at one point it is stop zooming in and it is rotating continuously. So until I press escape or next button, the rotation will keep on moving. And you can see the design behind this text. It is really awesome and it is not fixed. There are multiple objects there. So we need to complete this presentation and I'll show you how to make this step by step. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So let us start making this video. And here I am in the blank presentation. But before that, let me show you one thing that if I go to shape format and in the text field, there are some by default colors over there. So if you don't want to take color from this, you have a really awesome website called COOLORS colors.co where we can generate the color palette and even explore. So let us click on explore and there are multiple color palettes available and you can choose whatever color palettes you want. So let us take this color palette. So I'll press Window Shift S and I'll take a snip of this portion like this and it is copied in my clipboard. So next I will go to a presentation and press Ctrl V. So that snip is pasted over here. Now we will take colors from this palette. So I'll move this aside for a while and now let us delete these placeholders and let me go to insert shape and we will select rounded rectangle like this. And by holding shift button, I'll make a square rounded rectangle like this. And in the shape outline, let us select no outline. So the tip is that if you hold the shift button, then it won't be a rectangle, it will be a perfect square size shape. Even in triangle, if you make directly a triangle, then it will be a triangle with uneven sided. But if you hold shift button, then it will be an equilateral triangle. So that's the tip. Now let us duplicate this object. So I'll select this and press Ctrl D and I'll arrange it like this. Again, I will press Ctrl D. So that's how we duplicate the object. Now let us again select all of these three objects and press Ctrl D. Again press Ctrl D. And this is how we completed one layer of the group of objects. So now I will select all and press Ctrl G. That's where we created a group of this object. And now let us go to shape format and in the shape field we will select eyedropper tool and let us select one darker color like this. So this is how we change the color from this color palette. Now let us arrange this group in the center of this slide area. So we will select this group, we will go to arrange and in align we will select center. Again we will go to arrange, we'll go to align and let us select middle. So by doing this step, the object will comes exactly in the center of the slide. Now let us duplicate this group by pressing Ctrl D again. And that's where we have created another group and let us go to shape format. We'll go to shape fill and let us choose a different lighter shade like this. And we will arrange it slightly different from this below object. Again, we will select this object, press Ctrl D, go to shape format and in the shape fill we will again select a lighter color. And in this way, we select the color from darker to lighter tone from below to above objects. Now it's time to add animation. So we will select all of this like this, or you can press Ctrl A. Then we will go to animation, and in animation we will select spin animation, and you can see that it is spinning at higher rate. So we'll select duration of 5 seconds, and we want to make still further changes. So we will go to animation pane, and here we will select effect options, and in timing we will select with previous, and in the duration we have selected 5 seconds, and repeat we will select until the end of the slide, or you can select the next click. So we'll select until the end of slide and press OK. So this is the step where the rotation will keep on moving until you press the escape button. Now we need to add one more animation, the zoom in animation. So we don't select it from here. We will go to add animation, and in here we will select grow and shrink. So if you select from here, it will overlap the animation which you have already applied. So we need to add two animations. So we will add one from here initially, and then we will add animation from here. So that's the tip. So after adding grow shrink animation, we need to make some further changes. So we will select on click. Instead of on click, we will select with previous, and in duration let us select 5 seconds. Again, let us right click, go to effect options, and in 150 let us select huge 140, and let us say OK. So that will zoom to this level. If you want to make further changes, then you can also go to effect option and make your custom zoom in by specifying it over here. So now if we see the animation, it would be like this. So now we have added animation, and now it's time to add a text box. So you can add whatever text box you want. I have copied it in my clipboard, so I'll paste it over here. And even this text boxes, we can select the color whatever we want from the color palette. So we will select this, we will go to shape format, and in the text field we will select eyedropper tool, and let us say I want to select this color. So I'll select this, and it will change the desired color. But I'll select this one, the last one which we have taken, and make sure you have this object in the front and this object as well set in the front. And now let us see what we have made. This is exactly what we wanted, and this is really looking very awesome and eye-catching. You can even make presentation by changing its shape and color like this. So instead of rounded rectangle, I have taken a square over here, and I have taken a different color. Even you can choose different shape as well like this. So we have successfully completed our challenge, and I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing this channel and share it with your friends, whosoever is excited in learning PowerPoint from very scratch, step by step. And now it's time to say you goodbye. See you in the next video.